Hey everyone, welcome back to Art That Sparkle. Today we're making a glow-in-the-dark tree necklace. Let's get started! First, we're preparing our base. Mix white translucent clay with a touch of green to get a subtle, natural look. Use a diamond-shaped cutter with rounded corners to shape the base of our pendant. Next, we're going to subtly texture it. We're using textured paper, but you can use whatever you like or whatever is most convenient. Next, we're covering our base with glow-in-the-dark clay. This will give our tree a magical glow when the lights go out. Smooth it out so the base is evenly covered. Now let's add the tree design. We're using brown clay to create the trunk and branches and green clay to create the leaves. Get creative with the details to make it as lifelike as possible. To add a touch of sparkle, we also outlined the pendant base with green rhinestone. This step will give our tree necklace a beautiful finishing touch. Time to bake! After baking, let the pendant cool completely. Then, use a clay knife to shave and smoothen the edges. Then, drill a hole to attach it to a necklace. Make sure the hole is centered and clean for a secure fit. Finally, attach the pendant to your necklace chain. Adjust it as needed to ensure it sits nicely and is ready to wear. And here's our glow-in-the-dark tree necklace. This was so much fun to make. This is what it looks like in the dark. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative projects from Art That Sparkle. See you next time!